Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing off my new car. That's not it, just so you know. Some of you may already know this, some of you might not, but I changed my car today. I'll show you what it is now. We'll go down through the car park and we will show you what it is. So it's one of these cars. We'll have to figure out which one. Which one do you reckon it is? I'll give you a little hint. It's that one. There goes my phone. Yeah, Audi A3, 2-litre TDI. I'll show you the bonnet now. Nice gas strut. Yeah, 2-litre TDI. Coolant is okay. It's just standard at the minute, standard stuff at the minute, nothing amazing. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to blur out the plate in post, I'm not sure yet. If I do, then you won't see it obviously, but if you do, it doesn't really matter to me that much. But yeah, here's the car, in all that. Yeah, she's quite nice. The only thing I hate is this bloody armrest, because it gets in the way of the handbrake, see? Yeah, anyway, apart from that, she's quite nice. I'm going to start her up now. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go for a short drive and hopefully my GoPro doesn't die like it did last time, because I missed out a ton of footage and I missed out someone overtaking me as well. I've got my seatbelt on, yep, okay, that's the main thing. Yeah, car automatically locks itself when you drive off. Hopefully you can actually see. I'll put down the so you can maybe see a bit better. But yeah, she's 2-litre TDI, 8P engine, not AP engine, AP model, sorry. That just means like the style of the car and just kind of like what year it is, what style it is. It's hard to describe for me, to be honest, sorry. I'll throw up a couple of pictures of like the 8P, the 8Y, the 8L, so you'll see the difference. But yeah, it's just going to be a short journey around town. I'm going to add another clip onto the end of this with me driving from Gogs in Tanagrois to, I think I drove to Cardiff, no, I drove to Blaenau, and I had to end it there. But yeah, it's very nice. It's nice to drive. I've already had a go with it. I quite enjoy it actually. Yeah, this is going to be added on after I've talked about. This is going to be after I've shown off what the car is like. So it's just going to be a short journey, but yeah, it's basically just showing off that I have a new car, and yeah, I mean, it is what it is. I traded in my Fiesta ST for this. an Audi A3. Obviously you've seen the outside already by this point, but I'm recording this before I actually show you the outside, so yeah. Yeah, she's quite nice to drive. 2-litre TDI, BKD engine, 170k miles on the clock. She's quite nice. It's quite smooth. She's got cruise control as well, so I can press that and it'll just stay going. I don't know if you can see down there, but my feet aren't moving. I can move that about. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice car. Yeah, this is only going to be like another minute or so long. Like I'm about to turn into somewhere, so we'll do a bit of a longer journey today. Wait for these. So yeah, she's standard 2-litre TDI, obviously, for now. It's got ESP, which is quite surprising, to be honest. It's got cruise control, which is a nice little extra touch. I want to replace the stereo in this with an aftermarket one, because at the minute I'm having to use one of these adapters where basically it emits a radio, it broadcasts a radio signal, and then you connect to that through the stereo. But what I want is just an aftermarket head unit. So, and I've got a subwoofer in the back as well, so I want that hooking up. I got my dash cam rigged up just in case. I believe this might have an auto dimming mirror. I'm not sure. It has a power button on it, and when you turn it on, a green light appears. Whether that's auto dimming function or not, I have no idea. It may be, it may not be. If you know, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, other than that, drinks holder, pretty standard stuff really. Cigarette lighter, more cup holders. Apparently there's another cigarette lighter in the boot, but I haven't seen it yet. I haven't actually had a good look in the boot yet, but it's quite a nice size. And obviously there's the back of the car. Can't look behind there too long because, you know, I'm driving. Yeah. Should we take it back on the same road that we did before? Should we take it on the same road that we took the ST on? Give you a bit of a idea of what the performance is like, etc. I'm not going to put on the radio just in case I get bloody content ID, copyright claim or ads on this video for some reason. I could put this radio on, you know, like Heart West Wales or Radio 1 or BBC Cymru or whatever, but like, you know, you never know what they're going to play, to be honest, and half the time they're playing the trending stuff, so it's going to get copyrighted no matter what. But yeah, I quite like it. What I did was I swapped in my ST, which was a bit damaged, to be honest, and I swapped it in for this Audi A3 2-litre TDI 2006 model. Yeah, I thought I'd say the year just in case you didn't see the plate, because I think I'm going to blur that out in post. Although you can't, as far as I know, you can't get much from a plate these days. You can't get much information from a plate, but I'll best blur it out just in case. I plan to change the plate anyway soon. Some people are nice like that, see? Yeah, it's got a 6-speed box. which is very nice. It's weird getting used to the 6-speed because obviously my ST was a 5-speed. I probably said in the video, but I thought I'd say it again just in case you haven't seen it or something. But yeah, just a short journey around town. This time I'm recording in 4K 30 FPS. Ideally I'd like to record in 60 FPS, but because it's, you know, real life footage, it doesn't really need to be 60 FPS. But I chose 4K for the quality rather than the frame rate. And another nice little thing about this is it has parking lights, so if you have the ignition off and the key out of the ignition, I don't know if it works with the ignition, the key in the ignition as well, but I know without the key in the ignition, you press the left or right indicator and then it leaves the parking lights on, leaves, I believe, the side lights on. I think you can do a mod to change that so it leaves the indicators on, so they remain orange the whole time it's parked there, rather than like flashing continuously like a normal indicator. But that's something I'll have to look into, because that would be quite nice. But yeah, we're going to take it on the same road I took the ST on. Hopefully it'd be nice if it records all the way through, but I don't know if it will. You can hear my fucking bottle of water down there going all over the place. Please stay green. Don't you fucking dare. Okay. There wasn't much choice about that. The mileage is about 170k. I don't know if you can see it down there, but it says 172,674 miles at this current time. My ST was on 135k roughly, so I mean 170k for this type of engine is nothing really, because it's a PD engine. They're quite reliable and known for their reliability. You know, it's German, it's VAG or SAVs, whatever you want to call it. So VAG is basically Volkswagen Audi group. It consists of Seat, Skoda, Volkswagen and Audi. There may be one or two more, but I believe that's all of them. And Seat, I think. Yes, Seat as well. I think that's all of them. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments below, obviously. But I believe that's everything. Took their time to pull up. There's a bit of whirring, I don't know what that is from. Yeah, she's a very nice drive. I'm still doing that thing where I keep my foot on the clutch. I know it's annoying, sorry. I'm trying to get out of the habit, like I said in my last video, but sometimes it just happens. I'm not going to go all the way today, but if you'd like to, as I'll say in the next clip, if you'd like to see more, please let me know in the comments below and I'll make more videos on this Audi. Maybe I'll show a process of me installing mods to it or doing work to it, or you know, something along those lines. I may do some VAGcom mods or something like that, but it's quite an investment, so I'm not sure if I'm going to bite the bullet on that or not, because there's a couple of features that would be nice. I don't know specifically yet, but I have seen a couple of features on a couple of videos that I like, and apparently this car can do a few of those features. It's supposed to be able to do things like Carly and oh, I can't remember the other one now, but if I remember it, I'll link it in the description below. But basically, you plug it into your OBD port, and you can control your car, such as like, I don't know, like auto locking, windows going up on when you hold the unlock button, that kind of thing. You can turn them on and off, kind of thing. And then along with that, you can read the car's information, such as RPM, temperature, voltage, check any DTC codes or error codes. Yeah, but today is just going to be a short spin. I'm going to be turning left at this next junction and then ending the video there. Yeah. Currently recording this at 1:30 in the evening, in the afternoon, sorry. It might go up today. It's currently Saturday today, the 8th of July. I'll see if I can get it up today. If I can't, it'll be in the next couple of days. Oops. Yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, so this Audi was up for about £1,000. I tried to knock him down to like 900, 800, 600, blah blah blah. Well, me and a friend tried knocking him down, but he wouldn't really budge that much. So, I mean, fair play, is a decent car now that I've got it. We didn't really know that at the time because we had suspicions, but we weren't sure. But I decided to take the leap and go for it. It was quite close, it was quite local to me, so I thought I may as well see what it's like. If I don't like it, I can always sell it. Maybe not for the same price, but I can sell it. I can manage to sell it if need be. But I think I'm going to keep it for like because it does about, it's supposed to do about 38 around towns and cities, and about 60 to 70 on motorways. So that will be good, because I want to do a few long distance journeys, such as Wales to England and Wales to Scotland, maybe one to Ireland, maybe one across seas as well. It depends how things go really. But yeah, I do plan to keep this. Maybe put a map on it, an eco map or stage 1 map, to hopefully get some more MPG out of it. Because I know sometimes with a map you can get, with a remap you can get more miles per gallon out of your car, even though you're giving it more power. It's kind of counterintuitive, but I've heard it works. But yeah, I'm going to end it up here. I hope you've enjoyed this little preview of inside the car. If you want more videos on this, let me know and I'll be sure to do so. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night, day, evening, whatever time it happens to be there for you. Goodbye.